Cabo San Lucas. It's time to get up out of this hotel and see what Cabo is really known for, the arches. Let's go see that beauty, find a boat ride. All right, I found a boat. Just waiting to go out there. Gonna go see the arches. Well, I'm trying to get on this tour. It's taking forever. I was starting in the first boat down there, and they put me in the next boat. Then I gotta go to this boat. There's just not enough people to go out on the tour, I guess. I don't know, but it's been about 30 minutes so far. I'm ready to go see this arch and see the beach and get the f out of Cabo. Go back to San Jose del Cabo, see my friends. Actually, you know what? Let's just take this boat. Let's go, baby. Yeah, we're getting out of here. Nah. All right, we play the waiting game again. It's pretty hot out here. This vlog's not off to a good start. I'm still just waiting. All right, got changed again. Hopefully boat number 4 is the lucky number. I think we're about to go. Going to the big boy now. Got on boat number 5 and finally we're heading out.
Now we are going around the bay for 40-45 minutes around. This little ride around, you'll see the famous arch. This side. I want to make a snorkel. Something like you want to get over here. That's here.
Lovers Beach.
Lovers and divorce. Anyway, it's like the howling or yawning head. And look at that right there.
Scooby Doo Rock.
Beautiful. And a name it, that's at the Pacific window. And I remember it's the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean and see the Cortez. You want to take the picture, sit down right there on the bow.
Cabo San Lucas. All right, we're gonna head out. This is where the ocean and Sea of Cortez meet. This side is Divorce Beach. Don't swim over here.
Okay, that's good. ¿Listos o nos vamos?
Lovers Beach. Camera died, so I'm switching to the phone, but we're heading back to shore. All right, finished that boat tour. Even though they made me wait like over half an hour, change 5 boats, and pay more than other people paid, it was still worth it. That was a good boat ride. Now it's time to just check out the marina and go get a drink. That's where me and Adrian were partying the other day. It's actually kind of busy out here on the beach. You can see there's a lot of people out here.
Yeah.
A little more calm down this way at the beach. We didn't go this far before. We stopped at Mango Deck. This is beyond it towards Taboo Beach Club. As far as I'm going down the beach. Let's go get a beer. Out here getting my exercise in. Who needs a gym when you got all these uphill climbs with sidewalks that are like doing parkour all the time? It's crazy out here. Burning hot. Time for a beer. Took the long way. Deserve the beer now. Man, it's a journey trying to find this place, but you see a lot of cool things in between. Got a little party going down here. Beach. About to take the elevators and go up. Next stop, Baja Brewing Co.